Hello guys, you're welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be telling you about cleaning jobs, how you can get cleaning jobs fast in whichever country you are, whichever country that is away from your country, or specifically we are using Dubai, the United Arab Emirates, as a case study. My name is Pascal Ago and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are in this channel, my dear, please go down and then click on the subscribe button if you like what you see. And I thank you for my returning subscribers. Thank you for always being there. So I'll go along to tell you what you need to do for a cleaning job. Before I move forward, guys, I want to tell you we post on this channel every Mondays and Fridays. Yes, every Mondays and Friday evenings, precisely 5:30 p.m. in the evening, UAE time, Abu Dhabi, if you may. So I urge you to stay so you can watch. If it actually comes to the need, we do post in between the week if the need arises. You understand? So stay tuned and let's go there. For a cleaning job, a cleaning job can be for a guy, it can be for a lady. That is for male or female. You understand? For a cleaning job, a lady and a guy can actually go for it. So it is not something that is gender restricted. For Dubai here, where we are, the payment, the salary range, it ranges from about 1,000 dirham to about up to as much as 3,000 dirham, depending on the company you are actually working with, or depending on the individual who is employing you. Yeah, because there are private individuals who do advertise for cleaners, and then you get to pick up their number and get to go for their cleaning in their individual homes. So depending on that determines how much you get paid. So like we said, everybody can do this job, everybody can do this cleaning job. What you need is to learn it is have a general idea for cleaning, and then you can go online, watch a YouTube video of professional cleaners, see how they do it, watch how they do it, and follow the way they do. So you can learn it from there. You can learn it from YouTube. Just type in cleaning 101, or you type how to clean a house, how to clean dishes, how to clean marbles, how to clean tiles, how to clean anything it is you want to clean. You understand? How to clean toilets, how to clean a bedroom, or housekeeping. Just find something related to that. You will get to see the videos on YouTube, and then you will see people doing it live, and then you get to learn. Now, for you to actually get this job, you need a CV. Yes, guys, you need a CV for a cleaning job too. Yeah, you need a CV. At this juncture, I'm going to refer you to this video up here. Check this video up here so that you know how to put down your CV so that you can get the better cleaning job. So the main thing for this CV should be for you to put at least 2 years of experience in cleaning. Put that you've had 2 years of experience in cleaning. Do you understand? You've been cleaning at home, you've been doing some cleaning yourself, and that is why I recommended the YouTube video. The YouTube video is just for you to go there and then you learn the skills so you can actually navigate and then find a way to incorporate what you already know with what is obtainable there online. Put the both of them together, and then you have a headway of how to easily do it. You understand? How to easily do it, so that when you're doing it and someone is watching, or let's say for instance you go for an interview, or you are cleaning an individual's house and they're watching, the way you are actually doing it, just because you learned it online, will actually prove to the person that you know what you're doing. And at the end of the day, the whole thing, the aim thing is just to make sure that the whole place is tidy, is clean. Once the place you're cleaning up is clean, voila, you've done your thing, and that's it. First place to actually go to when you're looking for a cleaning job, most times, there are outsourcing companies for jobs, for general jobs, who actually get to help you in securing these jobs. So the first I have is I'm talking about Dubai in UAE here. I have EFS. EFS is located somewhere around Etisalat here in Dubai. So, they also have a place at Jebel Ali. They have an office at Jebel Ali. So just to find that out, Google it and find it out. You can go to their office. They are always recruiting for either housekeeping or cleaners. So the next company you can go to is Transguard. Transguard also have cleaners. They outsource cleaners. They outsource cleaners for the airport and for the houses. They outsource both for the airport and both for the individual houses, individual homes, and they also have that of I'm talking about, you have to be a professional cleaner now for these people to hire you. You understand? They also outsource for companies, big companies, and organizations. So there's another one known as Worker.me. Previously Group L office in Alcos. They are now Worker.me, WORKA.me. So when you Google that, or you type it in online, you get these people. So that is it. The next name, the next company you can go to is World Security. World Security Group can actually also take you as a housekeeping worker, and then get to outsource you to places they want you to be or places they want you to work. There are other outsourcing agencies too in this aspect. So you can just go online, Google it, and look for cleaning outsourcing agencies in Dubai or in whichever country you are, and then it will give you a list, and then you go on with it. Now guys, for you to Google these companies, when you Google them, things to look out for are the list and name of the company address, the email. Yes, when you Google them, try to enter their career page. From their career page, you can get the list or the email, or you scroll up, go all the way down, you can get the company email address and the phone number, and possibly their address, depending. You understand? You can actually get to write on it, get to attach your CV, your cleaner CV, and then send to them. Guys, always remember your subject in your emails should be the position you're looking for. Like for instance, you want to look for a cleaning job, you write cleaner CV, or you write, if your name, like for instance, Pascal Ago, cleaner position. Pascal Ago, you put in bracket cleaner position. You understand? You can write cleaner CV, something like that in bracket. So those are the things, the way to actually write it. Other things that I want to talk about on how to actually get a cleaning job. I said this in my previous videos, and it has been working. It works. Previously, I got 1 or 2 ladies that actually started that already. I always advise people to start with cleaning with your neighbors, people you live with in your flat. If you don't have a job, try to start with that. You understand? Try to start with that. It might even give you that zeal, that might try to watch this YouTube, watch how to learn how to clean on the YouTube videos. You understand? On YouTube, learn how to clean, learn the systems, the way they actually get to clean, the whole tactics, or the whole way they used to operate, and then get to find, if you can find the latest chemicals and all that, it will be nice, depending. So when you do something different from the existing ones or existing people who have been cleaning in a particular place, believe you me, you can even start with the place you live, in the sense that you went out, you bought some kind of chemicals they don't know about, your toilet or your bathroom there had been kind of colored or something like that, and then you used it and you cleaned it very clean, everything becomes clean. You can actually tell them, just meet the owner of the flat and tell the person you'll be cleaning this toilet. Maybe you take it up, you'll be cleaning the toilet every 2-3 times a week or something, that they should find a way to be paying you. Do that to 3, 4, 5 other flats. Let people know that you are doing this in your church, where you actually go to, and your WhatsApp groups where you are. Tell people you clean. That's what you do. You clean for a living, something like that. That's your job. Tell people this is what you do. You go to their place, you clean. Just find a way to make it maybe 30 minutes, between 30 minutes and 1 hour. You finish the cleaning, and then everything is sparkling, and then they'll be glad to call you back. Maybe they get to pay you and even increase your money if if the person, depending on the type of person though. So guys, that's what I have for you. I want to refer you guys to this next video. I want you guys to watch this video of what to do for most of our people that are on overstay. These are the businesses you can do. Check this next video on the businesses you can do for you, so you can survive and be able to get money to renew yourself. So watch this video, and then I love you guys. If you're new here, don't forget to go down and subscribe. If you're a returning viewer here and you have not subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for? Just click on the subscribe button. I give you things you need to survive and succeed in whichever country you are, either be it in Dubai or America, Canada, or whichever place. But we are using Dubai as a case study. Thank you, guys. Please don't just watch and go. Give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, then ask me any question you want at the comment section. I reply as fast as I can. But if you have some private things to talk about, you can go get me or on my social media. But if you want a fast response, comment on this under this video and you will see my reply. Thank you. I love you guys.